mean, it wants to do nothing.
Yeah, it's like it's
And like yesterday on the dyno, it was driving and it almost doesn't want to do anything.
Got the transmission yanked out, fixed up. We're ready to go.
Put a little cover on it, just
Up.
Me.
You are up.
Worse. But he said the pump that was in there was like 10 years old. He's like, you haven't used that in so fucking long. Like, the only time I ever had the trans out was like 5 or 6 years ago when I thought the trans was fucked up and it wasn't. So
something else was broke, right?
it was the blower, yeah, and I thought it was the trans. And then that was just when we put the 158 first in it. But I guess he didn't really change anything else because it didn't need to be changed. And then he now. Yeah, exactly.
It doesn't really matter if it changes.
It's literally the original trans that I put in this thing over 10 years ago. Plate fluid again. Well, it went down, and I could have made a full pass, but I didn't want to. But yeah, it's my first pass ever on slicks. I think that was pretty much a full hit. And that was the first time I really used the brakes, so either they need to be bled or something. But it didn't stop that great, and I can smell them. But second hit on the fucking car, and it goes all the way down. That is on a slick, which is I have never raced on. Eric, who's helping me tune the car this year, fucking rolling backwards like an idiot. Good thing no one's behind me. Whew, my brakes are cooking. Yeah, second hit on a car. Eric, who's helped me tune the car, has never really tuned the car on slicks or an IRS car, whatever. So it's all new to everyone. So it's a big learning curve, but I'll take that. I got no idea what it went, but hopefully nothing's on fire because my brakes stink. So first full hit on the car went 507 at 145, 144.94, but which that's, I am more than happy with that because the class, like fast in the class is like 470, but like a lot of times people will go like 490s, 5.0 around there. And remember, we still have the small blower on the car right now, so it made, I don't know, whatever it made, 1330 or something with this blower. Still got to put the big blower on it, and we're at the weight of the big blower, so we can run this blower and be like 300 pounds lighter than we are. But since we're gonna run the big blower, I wanted to just keep the weight in there, that way we can figure out the chassis and then we'll put more power to it later. So to go 507 is a 126.60, which is slow. I'm more than happy with that, man. More than happy on the first pass. Something's up with the brakes though, because it took me a little bit to stop, and I think I only had rear brakes. And we just put these front ones on there, so we'll have to figure that out. Not that it's that big of a deal for right now. I mean, I still have brakes. I'll just look at them and see what we got, but fuck yeah. Yeah, it spun, but it might have been a combination of like a shitty burnout. The slicks, I'm not used to, like usually with a radial, when I start a burnout, I can like shift and kind of pedal it, and it's like still like spinning. As long as it has some wheel speed, it'll bring wheel speed back up. The slicks are the opposite, man. Like as soon as I fucking let off the gas, the slick like hooks and I like can't like roll out of it. So just a little learning curve for a burnout on the slick. So that burnout was really shitty, but whatever, we'll figure it out. Spun again. Oh, this is still recording. It spun again. That's learning. We're trying to put some more power in it, get it to go faster, and we gotta play. It felt fast. I'm gonna guess that was our fastest pass. I don't know what it ran, but it felt fast. And this, I can't believe how much different the slicks are in the burnout. It also doesn't help that since we put new front brakes on it, the front brakes seem like they're not working as good, so I'm adjusting like the proportioning valve. So that's also obviously part of it. But so I pulled the chute that time just because I didn't want to be doing all back brakes, but I'll let you know what it ran. All right, it went 5,005. 123.60, 146.46 mile an hour, and then I coasted to a 798 at 141. Not that I care about quarter mile, but it's good though. So we made it down, then spun twice, made some adjustments with tune and suspension, and then made it down again this time. So on the right path. It felt faster than whatever the other one, 507. So. Which is weird, it felt a lot faster because it felt like it like planted the tire and then like drove the power in, like so it actually felt pretty good, but I don't know. I haven't driven the car in essentially 3 years, and it's a whole new combo. So I'm learning, we're all learning. Good day.
Very well on Friday.
Went about as well as you could ask for the first time at the track.
And what did it end up running again?
5.0, 146.
Nice. And that has a small blower on it still?
For now, yeah.
Yeah, right now.
It won't, and like tomorrow.
Yeah. Tweaking or changing something?
Trans brake is like slow. Well, I have it in a different system now, but yeah, it's fucking.
Yeah, you could. I remember you could audibly hear the delay between you letting go of the button and the brake coming off.
Why don't you head over to my toolbox and get me a 13mm wrench?
Okay. Of course the 13's missing. 15. 13. Got it.
Why don't you loosen up that old alternator right there? Now we got you wrenching on your own car, trying to take on the responsibilities. Easier than I thought it would. Last night we let the liquor talk.
What are you doing to get this thing ready right now?
Right now I'm taking out all the compressor housing, lockdown bolts, and just putting Loctite on them. Something I've been doing every Pro Charger, big or small. I've seen them get loose before, so now I got to bolt the main bracket on it, the hub on it, and it can go in the car.
It's got the big blower put on. And it'll make bigger power.
Change the oil real quick.
Which oil?
Which oil?
Yeah, which oil? The motor oil or like the procharger oil? The gear oil?
The engine oil. The only motor on this is the starter motor, according to Fran. Yep, it's good. Some fucking things piped in there, bull.
No longer keyed together.
Sure ain't. Fucking. 1-800-milkydicks.com. Here, grab that trash can, boy. Come on, old boy. Turn that thing on there, boy. Oh.
How's the engine oil all the way back there? What is it?
It's a catch can, Garrett. Ever heard of it?
I have. I just have never seen one in the back of a car.
Oh? Guess you never seen a fucking race car.
No, I haven't.
Guess nobody drained that.
Oh God.
Oh, I'm not supposed to call. Look, these motherfuckers always be double O-ringing on them things. Snug. All these wheel bearings still feel good. This one feels good. Lovely, love that. Well, we're just gonna plug them, I guess. Plug what? The second injector hole.
So we're not going to be running 16 injectors?
No.
I think it's pretty nice.